The biggest risk is doing nothing. Risk is better than regret. How many times have you hesitated, letting fear stop you from taking action? Waiting for the perfect time, doubting if you're ready, wondering if you will fail. But here's the truth. Staying stuck is real and a risk. Every day you delay is a day you could be building financial freedom, creating security for your family, and designing a life on your terms. The Legacy Builder Blueprint was created for people who are ready to take that step. No more overthinking and no more excuses. Just real simple ways to start earning online and taking control of your future. Are you ready to take that leap? Then please feel free to contact me now via my DM, email, my website, or by dropping a comment for more information, and let me help you get unstuck today.